Hi, I'm Surya Prakash. We are going to see the systems of your computer design lab. Experiment number 2, single table solution. The question is write a program to scan the input program and generate a single table. The aim is to write a program to scan the input program and generate a single table. In this Linux analysis, single table is a data structure containing a record for each identifier with fields for attributes of the identifier. The attributes may become the information about storage allocated from the identifier, data type, and scope of identifier. By using these records, each of the identifier can be retrieved easily and quickly during the lexical analysis. The identifier will be found stored into single table, but the attributes will not be stored in lexical phase. The compiler and the assembler will have their own simple tables. The expressions will be given as the input and output obtained will contain the table of information about the identifier. Now the program is word answer. In the keywords we have to insert int, float, long, short, string, character, double. Now open file text as file, data file, real lines or line in data, word equal to line split, word append word for I in word, if I in I, value I index -1, read type I is 0, count 0 for if j in keywords count plus equal to 1, type or answer open. Now the else is print I, d type is I 0, type of 0, id templates equal to 0 for j in I. If j equal to keyword continuous if w equal to or jw, print temp if in temp answer happen. The else is answer, we have to t type else print id for in answer print id. Now the output screenshot is this one. Now we have to run the code in PyCharm. This is the PyCharm code. We have typed the all codes in this. We have seen that word file. Now we are going to run this code. This is the output of this program. See, we have to insert int a b equal to 3 for the temp a, b equal to 3, c equal to d. The id, data, return type, initial value, number of parameters, types of parameters, add double, int also taken, character also taken. The process finished with exit code 0. That's all. Thank you.